Texas was buried under historic snow and ice. Tropical storms and hurricanes are forming earlier in the season.
Is the worst flooding in at least 500 years.
Burning hotter, faster, and more explosive than ever before.
This level of destruction is difficult for survivors to comprehend.
The European Parliament has voted to declare a climate emergency.
Worldwide, this summer was the hottest ever recorded. The global carbon emissions still on the rise. So the climate is changing faster than our efforts to address it.
Here's what it's going to be in less than 50 years.
Let's turn to France, where lawmakers have voted to ban many short-haul domestic flights. It is in a bid to reduce carbon emissions.
Thanks to the pandemic, fewer people are taking to the skies. But ministers insist big steps have to be taken if we're serious about climate change.
Wir haben in den letzten Jahren vieles angestoßen im Bereich des Klimaschutzes. Manches kam spät, einiges vielleicht auch zu spät.